in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Hedra AI for free. Yes, a lot of people have been asking me a question that how will they use Hedra AI for free? But in this video, I'll answer all your questions. I'm going to show you the new method which you can use to start using Hedra AI for free. So if using Hedra AI for free is what you are searching for, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because if you decided to skip any part, this part you skip may be the most important part you need to watch to get everything done all right. So don't skip any part. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button right now, and most important thing, also the notification bell, so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. And in this channel, we'll teach you how you can use AI to create your videos, how you can use AI to edit images, how you can use AI to write or create ebooks. In fact, how you can use AI, that is what we teach you in this channel. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that when next we drop new videos on how you can be using AI, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. And don't forget to comment in the comment section of this video right now. Comment Hedra AI in the comment section of this video, or comment how to use Hedra AI for free in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to reply to everybody that comments in the comment section of this video. Now let's go dive into it. Let me show you the new method which you can use to use Hedra AI for free. Let's get started. So let's get started. Let me show you how you can use Hedra AI. So when you come to the hedraai.com, it will bring you to an interface like this. If you need the link to the Hedra AI, comment in the comment section of this video that I'm interested, and I'm going to send you the link which you are going to use to register on Hedra AI, or I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video or on my Telegram channel. So when it brings you to this interface, you can start by registering with your email address or your information. And all you just have to do is just to click on sign up here. When you click on sign up, it's going to bring you to the interface like this, where it will tell you to put your email address, your password, and repeat your password. But I'll be logging in with my email address. So all I have to do is to put my email and password. I'll fill all my information, and after I fill my information, I will log in and show you guys how it works. So after you put your password and all your information, you click on create account. And it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where they are going to send you an OTP to the email you provided. So now let me go to my email address and get my email, the code they provided for me. This is the code. I'll copy the code, then come back to the platform and I'll paste it here. After pasting it, I'll click on confirm verification. So now it's opening. Now it has opened. Let me put my password. I'll click on sign in. Now I can register, can log in. Now I just log in. I can decided to click on I agree to receive mail. No, I just click on this tool and I'll click on create an account. Now my account is created. So you can use Hedra AI to do different type of things. You can use it for a video, you can use it for an image, you can use it for an audio. But for the sake of this video, I'll be using it for an video. I'll just click on video here. When I click on video, it will bring me to an interface like this. As you can see, now it will be telling me to upload a character. Now let's see, this is a character. All I just have to do is just to click on character like this. Then this character, you can take your picture, you can create an image, but for the sake of this video, I'll be uploading my own image. I'll just click on image like this, upload image, and I'll click on cancel. I'll click on character again, then I'll click on upload image. I'll click on this again. So click on it, upload image. Then it will bring me to my phone gallery. I'll use this image. This is my image. I'll use it. So right now, to add your script, what you want this image to set, you click on this video script here. When you click on video script, it will bring you to an interface like this, where it will say generate speech. As you can see, this one you can type. If you have a prompt and that you want this image to say, you can just put the prompt, or if you want to use your own voice record, you can use it here. If you have an uploaded image, audio, if you have an audio on your phone, maybe music or anything, you can use this upload audio. But for the sake of this video, I want to be recording my voice. So let me click on record audio. Then it will bring me to an interface like this where I just need to record 20-second video voiceover. So I'll click on start. Welcome to AI with Musa, where you get latest updates on how to use AI videos. So if you are interested, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more latest videos like this on how you can be using AI. Now, this is my voice. I just recorded the voice. I can listen to it right now. Listen to this. Let me record it again. Let's record it again. I'll click on add script. And I'll click on record audio. So let me type on it.